latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The world is caught in a fix as the countries which thought it had successfully controlled the spread of coronavirus has once again seen a resurgence. Despite the concerns raised by the WHO and a few other countries, Russia has started manufacturing its new vaccine. Russia even went on to say that by the month end, Sputnik 5 will be rolled out. Even as the Russian scientists fear that Moscow may be putting national prestige before safety, the president has decided to go ahead with his plan, mass production. A Russian news agency reported that the Russian Health Ministry said the country has started manufacturing its vaccine. If reports have to be believed, then the initial batches of the vaccine will be given to frontline warriors. Shockingly, Russia plans to continue its phase 3 trials along with the vaccine's production and use. The WHO said that no country can approve a vaccine by itself and there must be rigorous testing before approving a vaccine. Defending Sputnik 5, the head of the Gamaleya Research Institute said its vaccine is well researched.
The vaccine is based on a well-researched scientific platform dating back decades. The vaccine, called GAM-COVID-Vac, standing for Gamaleya COVID vaccine, is designed to be administered through 2 injections to prolong the immunity. The difference in the doses is the type of adenovirus used to deliver the vaccine to the body cells. For maximum effect, the immunization agents have to be injected at an interval of 2 or 3 weeks, giving the immune system time to calm down after activation provoked by the introduction of foreign substances.
According to its instruction for use, the vaccine is suitable for people aged between 18 and 60. In order to avoid complications, the vaccine recipients must install an app and keep updating their condition. In case of any complications, vaccine recipients are expected to inform doctors immediately. The question has been raised if Russia skipped phase 3 trials just to win the race on developing a vaccine. Will countries accept Sputnik 5 with Russia not completing phase 3 trials, which is a crucial stage for any vaccine to be approved, remains the big question. If we have to recall, the fastest vaccine developed to date has been for mumps. Not to forget, scientists took 4 years to develop a vaccine for mumps, while it usually takes 10 to 15 years to develop a vaccine. But given the kind of situation, scientists and researchers cannot take that long to develop a vaccine. Scientists are in a race, and right now, their aim is to develop a vaccine for the deadly coronavirus in under 1 year. While a few countries around the world have even gone to the extent of placing orders for Sputnik 5, a few other countries have expressed their apprehension.